Hi guys, my friend is making Japanese mild peppers that are super addictive, so let's get started. Please subscribe and click on the bell. Check out ivyskitchen.net for the recipe and tag me on social media if you do recreate my dish. Start off by melting butter with olive oil over low heat. Add your garlic. Next, add the peppers in a single layer, but be careful because these peppers will pop, so it's important to completely dry your peppers after washing. Keep mixing the peppers so the garlic won't burn and the peppers will be coated with that delicious butter. Once you see the peppers char and blister, season with red chili flakes and mix. We want to char this even more, so turn up the heat to medium-high and gently push down on the peppers with your spatula. Once charred, lower your heat and add Ponzu sauce. Set aside and finish it with a sprinkle of salt, and now you're ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.